Hello everyone, let us understand the question. The error in measurement of a length of a simple pendulum is 0.1% and the error in the time period is 2%. The possible maximum error in the quantity having the dimensional formula LT power minus 2. See what they gave. Error in the measurement of length is 0.1%, means delta L divided by L into 100, that is 0.1%, and error in the measurement of time period means delta t divided by t into 100, it is 2%. Now we have to find out the maximum possible error in a physical quantity who has dimensional formula LT power minus 2. So let us imagine a physical quantity x. X has the dimensional formula L t power minus 2. So the relation between x and LT is x is equal to LT power minus 2. If we apply logarithm and differentiation to this equation, we will get delta x divided by x into 100 will be is equal to delta L divided by L into 100 plus 2 times delta t divided by t into 100. Now we have to find out this delta x by x into 100. So delta L by L into 100 is 0.1%, 0.1% plus 2 times delta t by t into 100 is 2%. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 0.1, it is going to be 4.1%. Okay, thank you.